Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from RPGhair. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. The wig that I received is in the style LFW90. The hair length is 16 inches. The density is 150%, and it is a lace front wig cap construction. Straight out of the package, I am obsessed with this wave and curl pattern. It's so pretty. I love the fact that the ends of the hair have spiral curls. It's hard to find a curly wig with spiral curled ends. This curl pattern is unmatched. The cap construction features 4 combs and an adjustable strap. I love how small the knots are surrounding the hairline. The knots are bleached for us, and the hairline is pre-plucked for us as well. So here's how the wig looks when you take it out of the package and place it straight onto your head. Of course, there are some customizations needed. The first customization that I'll do to this wig is pluck some hairs from the hairline to thin it out a little bit more. To do that, I'll be doing the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting for this step. So there are tracks on the left and right sides of this wig where you saw me pointing. So I will not be able to pluck that much hairs from the front of the wig on the left and right side, because if I pluck too much, then you'll be able to see those tracks. I'm going to do a good amount of plucking though, because I want this to look as natural as possible. I am so satisfied with how the wig is looking so far. The hairline looks so natural. The curl pattern, the wave pattern looks super natural as well. So I am super excited to see how it's going to look once I install it. The next customization that I'm going to do is tinting the lace. I'll be grabbing the lace tint that I have in the shade Skin, which is the color of my foundation, and I will be spraying that on the underside of the wig. I'll be blow drying in between each layer and doing 2 layers of that shade. And next up, I'll be grabbing the shade that I have that is the color of my scalp and spraying 1 layer of that to where my scalp would be and blow drying. Moving on to styling, I'll be grabbing this Clear Ice Ultra Hold Styling Gel, a spray bottle of water, and my Denman brush, as well as a detangling comb. Working in sections, I'm going to fully detangle the section that I am working on, and then spray it with water. After that, I'll be grabbing the gel and applying it to the hair. And then I'll be grabbing my Denman brush and getting these curls to fully pop by brushing it from the bottoms on upwards. I will follow those steps until I am completed with the entire head. So I'm just going to grab a hard paddle brush and I'm just going to get these waves to be more uniformed by brushing through with the paddle brush and using the back of my hand to flatten the hair. As you can see, the waves are sticking together and becoming more uniformed. I think it looks so natural. I am really blown away by how natural this wig looks. I think RPGhair did an amazing job with this wig. It's definitely on my list of favorites. And for the moment we have all been waiting for, it's now time to install. The first thing that I'm going to do is grab some alcohol and clean off my forehead with that alcohol. Next, I'll be grabbing Scalp Protector from Walker Tape and applying that to my scalp. Grabbing the wig, I'm going to place it on my head in the proper placement, and then grabbing a pair of scissors, I'm going to cut 2 slices in the extra lace. That is going to create 3 sections. Working in small sections, I am going to start with the middle first. Grabbing Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel, I am going to apply a thin layer of that gel to the middle. Grabbing Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel, I will be applying a thin layer to the middle section and then using a blow dryer for a few seconds to get it tacky. I'm going to do that to the left and right sides of this wig and then grab the extra lace and place it over that tacky gel, put my headscarf on, and allow it to set for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, it's time to cut off the extra lace. Grabbing a pair of scissors, I'm going to carefully cut off the extra lace surrounding the hairline. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to this wig down below in the description box, so don't forget to check down below for more information. If you are new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below before you leave. I did experiment with different hairstyles. I did put this wig in a low ponytail. I put it in a high bun. I put it in 2 ponytails. I put it in 2 buns. I had fun experimenting with the different styles because I was so obsessed with this curl pattern, so obsessed with how the waves looked. I had to really experiment and see how natural this wig could look. So comment down below, would you wear this wig this summer? Which hairstyle was your favorite?